Oh. Mick, he had. Yeah.
Now, who was more scary? Back up.
3,
my face.
2.
What the fuck is wrong with that?
I don't know.
You know what happened though? Like, I think you spat on my lip.
Oh. Does that cancel it out? Did I dry it out? That should make it better, Mom. Yeah. Coming through.
Why isn't more than Sam a thing? Oh, fuck, I don't know. Sam doesn't give me any reasons to not find him attractive.
Yeah.
Oh!
Throw your dancing back, huh?
Steve and I actually headed to the YouTube space LA where oh God.
Wait. Make a wish.
I wish that Sam can say colorful birds.
Oh. Batter up. What was that? That's coffee and Listerine.
Just be distracting.
I had to keep going to those baby blues.
You got a bubble in your throat?
yeah.
You have a bubble in your throat?
Have a bubble in the throat sometimes.
Push it
Ew,
out.
gross. Last week Warner Brothers filed a... I even had it right. I had no reason to stop, but I was just so defeated.
Yeah, quickly after the broadcast,
No,
stepped on your line.
just don't. Don't do it.
I can't not do it. I'm sorry. Wait, what's this?
My bitch hand. Oh! Don't.
I can.
No, I think it's fine. You shouldn't do it. Ah! Ah!
She's got
Stop
goosebumps.
it.
I gotta get rid of them.
Stop it.
Is it?
Don't baby me. Don't seal it in there as well. Have it back.
No. Speaking of movies, finder.com.au.
Oh, Ozzy. I didn't look.
Wow,
I didn't
lame as hell. And
Woo! Oh. Woo!
Mm.
God.
Did your hand hurt? I'm sorry. Can we spit in it? Foxy now. Do you see how fucking cool that was?
We did it.
I
You can see my face. I'm like.
All right, back it up.
Woo! Yes, it's a good day. It's an intergalactic force that fights evil with the aid of rings that grant extraordinary powers through the wearer's willpower. What?
Wait, I can do it cooler. One more time. 1, 2, 3.
That was not cooler. Whoa. Did you just flip?
Do we do? Yeah, yes, thank you. I forgot. Yes, that was a good flip. I just noticed that we did a really good high five. That's really rare. Yeah, and it's just because we didn't focus on it, and it was just like. Anyways, moving on.
Oh, wait.
Ooh, yep.
I'm got tears.
Did the high five get you? Yeah.
I was emotional.
I'm Sam.
I'm Maud.
Good.
But.
And
Will be a contained story. We've done better.
we've done better. Go back. We gotta do it again. We can do it again.
At least we know that this movie will be a contained story.
Fuck yeah, that's good. So you best describe to the channel.
Imagine having an argument with someone not even looking at them.
I don't know. I don't.
Why do you do this to me, Sam? Why?
Come on, just look at me for once, please. Just talk to me. Legend. Why don't I always say Legends of Zelda?
I mean, there's just one Zelda. But she has many a legend.
She. I know. I can't. I'm fucking up on so many levels today. Like.
Oh my god, I'm pulling my neck. From this outrage. This is outrage right here. Nah, this won't happen. Not yet anyway. Nope.
Well, I say it will.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I bet you, Maud Garrett of Earth. I bet you. I think I'll.
You bet me a rodent and a jello fight. A gummy worm and a compliment?
No. if these things come true, you have to take me to Outback Steakhouse.
Well, if I'm right and I predicted the truth, you have to watch The Princess Bride with me from start to finish. And I'm going to quote every single word. And we have to drink every time Wesley says, as you wish. And even when she says, as you wish, when she's rolling down the hill before they go into the fire swamp. Oh, it's happening.
Fine.
Okay, fine.
Work together to solve open-ended murders, but there are No!
You have to let me have that one because it was so weird.
Sequences. Don't die. Go for it. You can do better than that. You insult the Flash in front of me, I will throw a fit.
The Flash is a piece of shit.
You don't mean that.
Maybe I do.
You don't mean that.
The Flash sucks.
You don't mean that.
Who wants speed?
You're just trying to hurt me.
I would like super strength, not speed.
Yeah.
Maybe he resonates with you because you two go a little bit too fast sometimes. So sorry.
Don't worry, it's caught on live camera.
I'm so sorry.
You got it on camera. Tweet at her. I'm not reciprocating any of these.
I just need can you suck the snot from out of my nose?
Yep.
Delicious.
Speaking of dates.
So what are you doing on Friday?
Huh? I'm busy.
Shit. Oh, that's pure rejection.
Ma just wanted to add one little part and then she missed the whole script. If you're saying mean things to the camera, I will watch it later and I'll feel bad. Chris, what'd she say? Fuck you, Chris.
You know what's cool?
What's cool? You doing little bitch face to me?
I guess Ma's got the rest of the video. 50% of the sex appeal's all gone now.
You had your bitch stance at me. Oh, God. Oh, dear. You're still doing it. Put the hip out even more, Sam. Kick it, that's it, girl.
I don't know.
Glad you all got to see that. This is just an average day.
What was that? That's coffee and lip.
Just be distracting.
I did keep going to those baby blues.
Transformation from being not cool to cool. That's a compelling story.
Should be called Sam Bat.
Oh, fuck you. Yeah, I'd pay money for that. Of course, catches it and they both have a bro moment of
Holy shit, you're Batman.
No, I'm the Flash. She's the worst. She doesn't let me be Flash.
I didn't mean to do that.
I'm gonna get dad. Part monthly. It'll be a 6-month month. It'll be a 6-month month. Kevin! Star Wars releases dope host. Number Kevin!
No.
No, it's fine. Hey, wait.
No. No.
No.
No.
How would you?
No.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's good.
Hey,
It's good. Yes, back it. No, yes, get the fuck back. Shit.
Just back the shit up. Is your little... Oh, Sam, cover up.
Is your toe poking out of your sock a little bit?
Oh, wow,
Is it
yes,
your second? Is it your second toe? Oh my god, it's
God.
your second toe.
Yeah, it's
poking.
the pointer toe. Yeah.
Oh my god, you know that's my weakness.
Did you want it?
Why would you?
Did you want it?
Show me it.
Did you want it?
While you're looking to procrastinate on the web, just look in the description of this video because you'll see a link where Ham and I. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I called you Ham.
Can anyone do some fan art of Maud and Ham? Classic co-host. Oh, we getting a laugh from one of Maud's fuck-ups? Now we're getting like a half chuckle that's like silent.
Looking to procrastinate on the web, just check out this description in the video.
Yeah, just
what am I trying to say?
Look at it.
What am I trying to say?
That one.
And I'm that one.
Ow. Ow.
You did so much better before. I think I went the wrong way. I was like, oh. Two new toys. Two new toys. Two new toys. Two new toys. I don't know.
Shit. This side of you.
Someone's got a thingo, voodoo doll.
Ooh.
Someone has a voodoo doll of me.
Cuddle buddy and listen good. I got Zach. Zach is my cuddle buddy.
Oh my god. If we need any more fucking video evidence that you fucking rejected me. I can't.
It's a funny bit. They're like, oh, they're in love, they're dating. And then every time.
Yeah. It's always me. It's always me.
Tables have turned.
No. Hulu's 5-year deal will end in October this year. So Netflix is just...
It's your line. It's your line. It's I was like, you're still going? Yeah.
Yeah, squad. Nerds.
So wait, hold on. Wait, one more time. Ready? Hell yeah!
Yeah.
This is what you wanted.
Is
This is
that?
not what you wanted.
No, I didn't want that.
Yes.
No, I didn't want that. Who
want
wanted
it?
that in the show? Come on. One day they'll buy your zombie TV show. He just wants love. He just wants love.
I just want someone to love me.
Thomas, this is for you. Thomas, this is for you. Wingardium Furiosa.
You're gonna give me an ulcer. So much stress from your puns. All right, back to more. Again. That happened in bloopers a long time ago. Oh, I got caught on my knee. I almost broke the goddamn microphone.
I didn't know that anyone was as bad at me as this, but I found...
Spin!
Be free!
Spin! You know, when the
Should
leader
I really
of the
die
dance.
today? How was yours? A little bit of...
And sweet dream.
Can you back it up, please? I had a really cool dream.
What was the dream? Sorry, I was trying to say my line. Damn it. Damn it. I'm not one for comedic timing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I fell off because I was like, oh,
I'm sorry.
that's okay.
I choose you, Sam Basher.
Thank you. That would be a first for somebody. You know not to throw a lit match into a trash can filled with flammable items like tissues and cardboard. Ding dong at Darby's Warner Brothers. Translate to Warner Brothers.
Donna's Darby!
Quickly after this broadcast, no, don't laugh, don't, you gotta hold it together. Zach, I need you to fucking pull it together. Zach, I need everyone to pull it. I need everyone to pull it together because I am hungry and I need to eat. I have to eat, I need you not to laugh at me.
I'm sorry, broadcast, because he said quickly.
Shitting dick nipples. Hey there, welcome back to Source. Damn it!
Wait for it.
Ding. Can't wait to see him play Desmond in the upcoming movie. You hesitated and I reacted too much. Can't wait to see him play Desmond in the upcoming...
What? Desmond? Sam, you idiot. Michael Fassbender isn't playing Desmond. He's playing an entirely new character, Callum Lynch.
You can't laugh. You gotta be mad at me.
Sorry.
You gotta be mad. Can't wait to see him play Desmond in the upcoming movie.
Sam, you idiot! Michael Fassbender isn't playing Desmond. He's playing an entirely new character, Callum Lynch.
It's so strange with double-handed.
I'm right-handed.
What if I turn?
I'm so sorry.
It's why?
I don't know.
I wrote it in.
I know.
Just people who are watching this video, I read in all the slaps that happened to me. Steve has never written in one slap. He did spit on me once. This is called Hollywood Garbage Talk. Mard, what are your thoughts on the show?
I don't know, let's ask Mard.
Here we get
Mard, could you kindly come? I'll find her. Mard,
Mard.
where are you, Mard?
Hey, you say nar, is that the same? Oh, yay, Mard's coming out. Tasteful.
Well,
I don't know. I don't know.
you're really hot and sweaty.
Yeah, it's, I'm burning up. My eyes hurt.
Let's
Roll
back
it back.
that up. Okay. Are you ready? 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 Are you ready?
I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know.
Serious guys, squad. Sure shot. Square girls. Sure shot. Square.
Even last week, he denied any association with the. We're just changing lines around on the fly, so back it up one more time. Oh, you're caught in my beard. You're caught in my stubble. You're caught in my. You're stuck in it. You're. This is impressive.
And I'm back.
You made it all the way around. I knew it. I knew it. I almost made a face towards you, and I turned away because I'm like, no, don't give her any, don't give her anything. First time we.
So cool. Oh, Sam.
Say hello to my little friend. The rolling ball of droid is said to be a crowd favorite. They're calling this $150 toy the app-enabled droid that is authentic as it is.
I gave you a sign at Kiss, and now it just looks like you've cut your lip shaving.
I usually do that anyway, so. Looks like you had a nosebleed. Back it up more. More. There you go.
Whew, that was close. You had pass rash for a second there.
Birds. Colorful birds.
Colorful birds.
Colorful birds.
Say it faster.
Colorful birds.
One more time.
Colorful birds.
3 in a row.
Colorful. You okay? Did I? No, I didn't. I'm sorry. You want me to spit on it?
Yes. No! I just want to spit in your hand, Sam. That's
your
all I
thing.
want.
I've given it to you so many
having a
times.
bad day, and I just, please. I love that this is after I said I think I'm coming down with something.
Oh. Then we left the room and everyone applauded.
Ours was more sweet. You lost the bet for Xena getting rebooted, so you had to watch The Princess Bride with me, and I was quoting everything, and then you were like, at first it was annoying, and then you were falling in love with me.
Want to try one more time?
Yeah, no, I thought I nailed that.
Oh no, you did.
I'm a professional.
You did, but
like,
I liked when
Bitch, what you said about my skills?
I just liked how you said it. I just wanted to hear it one more time.
No, attitude. I'll tweet about it publicly so that you know. Forever. Oh, girl, you get that booty out of my face. Actually, keep it there. Thank you.
I've been working on it. It squats. Fucking throw me on the dang video. Throw me on.
Just, if you don't like Star Wars, fuck off.
Oh! I'll finish this story about the stupid Star Wars then.
Oh, yes, Ant-Man, that's not gonna happen.
Can you scroll it back?
Movie that makes you feel alive. Alive!
Oh my, come here.
I feel like you're mocking me.
No, I'm not. It's cute. Don't worry.
Yes!
Can back it up?
Either way.
Yes!
Oh, I didn't want to.
No, I
I'm
didn't.
sorry.
It's fine. But it's literally just a bunch of colorful bird. But it's okay.
That feels like nails. I got nails now. See that?
Oh, it's just a
See that? See what's happening? I've got power. Can make people weak.
I almost peed myself.
Sorry, I just have to do my O face. You understand? Full out forwards again. I snorted out my nose.
Who haven't picked up Neil Gaiman's New York Times bestseller Sandman? Fuck me. Don't. Nobody don't jump on board too quick. All right.
I'm like,
How's my deodorant working?
oh.
I come to your door, knock it. Does this mean that Uncle Sam's gonna go and
Does it?
Does it?
Does it?
Does it?
Does it?
Does it?
Uncle Sam.
Look at my fingies.
It grows.
Yeah. Fuck me in the mud. Welcome back to SourceFedNerd. I'm Sam.
I'm Maud. Damn it. There's no point to life.
Spin.
I'm a pretty princess.
All right, that's too much. Because I wanted to spin.
I'm a little like.
You're so fragile.
Hey, give it a thumbs up if you want to subscribe. That's something that you can do as well. My name's Maud.
I'm Sam. Maybe give the Facebook page a like if you'd like to. We just reached 20,000 likes on
The page.
on the page. Don't worry. It was my turn.
I can always count on you, Sam. Thank you. Thank you.
If you feel like you fucked up, don't worry. I'll
Don't worry.
write it down.
Give me
I'll come in
2
there
seconds.
tripping and spinning all over myself.
Breathe.
Stop being cute.
No. You insult the Flash in front of me, I will throw a fit.
The Flash is a piece of shit.
You don't mean that.
Maybe I do.
You don't mean that.
The Flash sucks.
You don't mean
Who
that.
wants speed?
You're just trying to hurt me.
I would like super strength, not speed.
Yeah.
Maybe he resonates with you because you two go a little bit too fast sometimes. So sorry.
Don't worry, it's caught on live camera.
I'm so sorry.
You got it on camera. Tweet at her. I'm not reciprocating any.
What's cool? You doing like little bitch face to me?
I guess Ma's got the rest of the video. 50% of the sex appeal's all gone now.
You had your bitch stands at me. Oh god. Oh dear. You're still doing it. Put the hip out even more, Sam. Kick it, that's it. Girl.
I don't know.
Glad you all got to see that. This is just an average day.
It's the end of the video. I don't know what it's saying. Bye. That's a good out.